Welcome everyone. Question on organic chemistry. The product of the reaction is when acetylene gas is passed through a red hot iron tube at 600 degrees centigrade. Product choices are A. Ethanol, B. Ethane, C. Ethylene, D. Benzene. Answer is D. Benzene. Mechanism of this reaction we will see in the next slide. This is the first molecule of acetylene, the second molecule of acetylene, and the third molecule of acetylene. When acetylene gas is passed through a red hot iron tube at 600 degrees centigrade, 3 molecules of acetylene are combined to form 1 molecule of benzene. Thank you for watching this video.